Hello students, welcome back to the class. In today's class, we will be learning how to convert a given percent into fraction, followed by the given percent into decimal as well. So let us start to understand the concept and we will do the practice for the same. The first one, converting percent into fractions. Here already you are having percent and you have to convert it into fraction. Let us see how. 25% is the first question. Okay. Now how to convert it into fraction? When percent sign is already given to us, we have to remove it. Okay. So how to remove it? Write 25, remove the percent sign and in place of percent, 100 will come in the denominator. Why 100 will come in the denominator? Because the percent tells us the information, the amount out of 100. So 25% means it is 25 out of 100. So whenever percent sign is given to you, remove the percent sign and put 100 in the denominator. Now do the cuttings. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So it becomes 1 upon 4. Do one more. 72% suppose. Okay. So 72% means 72 out of 100. Remove the percent symbol and write 100 in the denominator. Let us start with the cuttings. You can start with the table of 2 or table of 4. Bigger table also you can use. Table of 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 left. 2 6 are 12. 2 5s are 10. 1 0 at the back. Again table of 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 left. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 1 left. 2 5s are 10. So yes, now no more further cuttings possible. 18 and 25 does not come in any common table. So 18 upon 25 is the answer. If we see one more part, suppose you are having 102%. That means 102 out of 100. Now 102 out of 100, you can see here it is improper. More than the denominator, improper fraction. Do the cuttings. 2 5s are 10, 1 0 at the back. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. It becomes 51 upon 50. Which is improper, turn it into mixed. 50 ones are 50 and 1. 1 whole 1 upon 50 is the answer. So here we have converted percent into fraction. This was the percent which is given in the whole number form. Now let us see if in place of whole number it is given fractions, then how you will do. Okay. 6 1 upon 4%. Percent given, we have to convert into fraction. So first of all, mixed, turn it into improper. 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25 upon 4%. Percent symbol we have to remove and put 100 in the denominator. That means 100 in the division. When we divide, where do we write the number? In the denominator. So multiply by 100 in the denominator, or you can call it as divided by 100. Same. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So answer becomes 1 upon 4 fours are 16. We remove the percent symbol and divide by 100. Divide by 100 means 100 in the denominator. Next question, suppose you have 7 1 upon 2%. Okay, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15 upon 2%. Now again, remove the percent symbol and put 100 in the denominator. 15 upon 2 is already there. 100 also comes in the denominator. Now cuttings, table of 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 1 0 at the back. No more cuttings, so numerator is 3 and denominator is 2 multiplied by 20, 40. This is how we convert percent into fraction, whether it is given whole number percent or the fraction, both. Now let us see how to convert percent into decimal. Percent is given, we have to convert into decimal. First part, suppose you are having 25%. 25%, as you know, it tells you that 25 is out of 100. So first step is this. Now 100 in the denominator tells us that it is at 100th place of decimal. That means 2 decimal places. From the right side, 1 2. That means 1 2 decimal comes here. From the right side, count 2 places. So we have converted percent into decimal. B part, suppose you are having 102%. First of all, remove the percent symbol. 102 out of 100. Now 100 in the denominator tells us how many decimal places? 2 decimal places from the right side. 102. 1, 2. Decimal will come after 1. 1.02 is the answer. C part, check out. 12.8%. It is already decimal given here. Then also the method is same. Write down 12.8 in the numerator. Divided by 100. Out of 100. 100, that means 2 decimal places more. Back. 1, 2. Decimal came here. 0.128 is the answer. D part, suppose you are having 0.1%. Okay. Then also just write it in the fraction form first. 0.1 out of 100. Out of 100 tells us that 2 more decimal places. 1 step back, 1 more step back. 2 decimal places back from the right side. Here no number written, so we can put 0. It becomes 0.001. Here in the first question, how it was? 25 at the 100 place, 1, 2. 2 decimal places. Decimal is at the last now. 1, 2. Where there is no decimal place, that means decimal is at the last. In the second part also, 1 place, 2 place. So decimal comes after 1. Now let us do some questions where percent is given in fraction. The question is 17.2%. Okay, we have to convert into decimal. So first of all, how we will do? Please see very carefully. 17 whole number, 1 upon 2. Let us make it out of 100. This fraction. How we can make it out of 100? By multiplying by 50, it will turn into 100. So it becomes 17 whole, 50 upon 100. Clear? What we have done? We have made this 1 upon 2 fraction into equivalent fraction multiplied by 50. Now 50 out of 100, that means 2 decimal places. So answer becomes 17.50. Easy and interesting. Now check out next. If the question is 6 1 upon 4%. 16. So first keep the 16 whole number as it is. 1 upon 4 we are going to make with denominator 100. 4 multiplied by 25 gives us the denominator 100. 16 whole, 25 upon 100. 25 at the 100th place, that means 2 decimal places. It gives us 16.25. Here were the fraction part which we were able to turn it into 100, right? So we multiplied by 50, we multiplied by 25, so denominator turn into 100. There might be cases where denominator you cannot multiply by a number and turn it into 100. See how? Suppose the fraction you are having 10 2 upon 3%. Now 3 denominator, by which number should we multiply so that it becomes 100? There is no number. For such question, how we will do? This improper fraction, this mixed fraction we will turn into improper. 10 3 is a 30 plus 2, 32 upon 3%. Now remove the percent symbol. Percent means out of 100, so 100 will come in the denominator. 3 multiplied by 100. 100 also comes in the denominator. Now do the required cuttings. We can cut by the table of 4 or table of 2, right? So I am starting with table of 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 0 at the back. 2 1s are 2, 1 left. 2 6s are 12. 16 upon 50. Again we can cut. 2 8s are 16 and here 25. Now no more cuttings possible. Numerator 8, denominator 3 multiplied by 25 gives us 75. Okay. So this is how, if a whole number is given to you, convert into decimal. If already a decimal number given to you, further convert into decimal. And if fractions are given where the denominator can be turned into 100, this is the method. And if denominator cannot be turned into 100, solve it this way. So I hope the concept is clear to you, how to convert percent into fraction as well as percent into decimal. Thank you. Keep practicing. If you have understood the concept, please ensure to like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Math Time. Welcome, ma'am.